What's up, guys? Good morning. Got some exciting news to share. So today I'm driving to Usulutan, to Gerardo Barrios University, to sit in on a Bitcoin class. This class is hosted by Mi Primer Bitcoin, and they are a nonprofit group operating here in El Salvador. For the past year or so, they've been teaching Bitcoin classes to local Salvadorians, teaching them, best use practices, the history of money, what is inflation, what is fiat currency, all good things that most of us don't get taught in school. Just a few weeks ago, it was publicly announced that the Ministry of Education of El Salvador is contracting Mi Primer Bitcoin to train 150 public school teachers, their curriculum, so that starting in 2024, it can be rolled out in public schools all across the nation. So kids in public school are going to be learning Bitcoin fundamentals, and it is just super exciting. Just saying those words gives me chills. I am really eager to be partnering with this group. I'm hoping to be working with them very closely. This is just the first step of my journey, is going to check out this class and see what they have to offer and get a feel for, the classroom setting and the curriculum. It is like a semester-long course, so I'm only going to be seeing this one class. But at the end of it, the graduates get a diploma. They can prove that they have qualifications of the Bitcoin fundamentals and can work in the tech industry. So that is the mission of Mi Primer Bitcoin, is obviously mass adoption of Bitcoin, but also educating the Salvadorian population and making them more job ready with marketable skills. So it's super exciting. I can't wait to show you guys more. I'll be getting to the university here pretty soon, and I'll get to show you what it's like. The class had about 18 students in it, a good mix of men and women. It was taught by a guy named Jorge-Luis, who is also a pastor and Bible study teacher. I found his presentation style passionate and engaging. You could tell he really had a thorough understanding of the subject matter. But Bitcoin wasn't the only thing that they talked about. Here, Jorge is talking about the traditional banking structure and how the money in your account really isn't in your custody until you withdraw it, because those banks are loaning out your money and charging interest to other people. Jorge also talked about the underlying philosophy of Bitcoin and how its decentralized nature and global accessibility makes it an agent of freedom.
Cada uno puede abonar los logotipos de Bitcoin. Bitcoin es abierto para todos aquellos que quieran ser parte. Es la diferencia. Usted no puede ir a un banco, ejemplo, la cadena de bloques o la blockchain, que le dije que era un libro de registro contable. O sea, todas las transacciones de Bitcoin se van registrando en esa red. ¿Quiénes de ustedes pueden ir a un banco, ir a preguntar, miren, quisiera ver quiénes han mandado transacciones en todo el día ahora? Y me dé la lista. ¿Qué cree que le dijeran? Hasta lo pueden denunciar, ¿verdad? Pueden ir presos por estar preguntando cosas que no deben. En cambio, en Bitcoin, muy bueno.
Here we see Jorge showing the class an example of a hardware wallet and comparing it to software wallets and other mobile app wallets. He explains the importance of storing your own private keys or seed phrase and the risks associated with trusting a custodial wallet. At the end of class, they even did a few practice transactions. Jorge asked a volunteer to come to the front of class. He scanned their QR code and sent them some sats.
pongo mi huella aquí y le caigo 2 horas. Ahí puede revisar, retroceder. Esas 2 horas, el día de mañana pueden ser millones de dólares. Ahí como va subiendo este rayito.
He also explained the difference between a Lightning transaction and an on-chain transaction. And then he showed them how to use Lightning to send Bitcoin instantaneously. Then he showed them how to generate their own invoices so that they can receive Bitcoin in exchange for goods and services. I could tell everyone was really impressed when they saw those sats land in her wallet. Getting to visit Jorge's class was such a pleasure and really made me feel like I was on the frontier of Bitcoin adoption. As always, thanks for watching, and if you want to stay up to date on all the news regarding Bitcoin adoption in El Salvador, please follow My First Bitcoin on Twitter.